Okay, class, so this video is going to show you how to get to your collaborative workspace. We're going to review it again in class one more time, actually a couple more times, but definitely again when we open up on Tuesday. But this is how you get to your collaborative workspace. So first, you log into the class. I'm in my student account, so I'm sure seeing this exactly as you are as a student. So go to our class. And then after you get to class, you want to go to people, which is over here on the left-hand side. So click on people. And then you will see all of the groups that are here. You will see groups. And you'll actually see all of the groups, but you'll only be able to log into the group that you're a member of. So these are all locked. This is where I added myself as a student. So I added myself to the beauty group. So go ahead and click visit. When you get to visit, you get to this home page, and there's nothing on this home page. What you need to do is go to announcements, and then click on the one announcement that talks about the Google Doc, and then go ahead and click on the Google Doc, and it will take you there. And so here is your document. I'm going to open it in Google Docs. All right, so there's your template. It is here. Right now it's 6 pages. It will be a lot more once you add all your information. So this is the same, a copy of the same, of a very similar template of what I uploaded online to the class. The one that's uploaded to the class though includes the financial information, which we talked about as a class in itself. So table of contents, executive summary, value proposition, all that good stuff. And you will be answering these questions, like I said, in the next couple of activities that you'll be doing throughout the semester, so you will get this along with your peers. You'll be able to put those pieces together. Remember I told you with the table of contents, as you type and pages move, the numbers just move, so you shouldn't have to redo the table of contents, okay? And everything saves as you go along, so as you type, it will save, okay? I am a member of every group by default. I just want to kind of see what's going on. And if you have any questions, ask them in class, but don't be afraid to go ahead and inbox me, okay? When you are done, you can just log out of Google. So you can't see it. It's outside of the screen that's recording, but I just click X, gets me out of Google, and then I can go back to the class, okay? This page is also great because you can, as a student, you can make announcements if there's something that you want your group mates to know about, or you can click on the people here and do some additional information, get some additional information of your classmates too, okay? Sorry, Lisa, I used you because you were the first one up there, okay? All right, again, if you have any questions, catch me in the inbox.